If you're watching this video, you're probably looking for a way to provide clean water for your flock. So let's get right into it. So what I have here is the Hism brand water cups and the water nipple. And the best part is the whole package comes with all of this. So you have 9 of the water nipples and 9 water cups. And they also come with a wing nut. So if you want to go for fixing it all onto a water bucket, then you can use a wing nut for that. And it comes with a drill bit, so you get the perfect size hole to insert either your water cup or your water nipple. And you also have a coupling if you want to use a 1/2-inch pipe or a freshwater line, if that is what you want to add. So this is the package that they sent it in. This is the Hism brand. So they were nice enough to send me a whole package so that I could test it out and give an honest review to you guys. So far, I've tried it for a week on a water bucket and my chickens love it. My chickens have been trained to use a water cup, so they're not really using the water nipple all that much, but compared to other brands that I've tried before, this one seems to be much better. It doesn't take a whole lot of pressure to actually press the spring in here, so I'd say that's pretty good. And this is honestly, if you can train your chicken how to use this, this is probably a much more cleaner and hygienic solution as opposed to the water cup, which can accumulate some sediments and you occasionally have to flush it out and clean it. So otherwise you have a lot of sediments in there and it might get pretty dirty, and you don't want to have your chicken drinking from a dirty cup. It's just not good for their health. So without further talking, let's get right into installing the water line and the water cups and also the water nipple onto the line. This is my chicken coop right here. So we're going to go ahead and install the water line. So I have my rainwater harvesting line connected right there. And I'm going to go ahead and fix the water cups and the water nipple on there. So I have all the parts here cut to size, and I'm going to go ahead and install it. So what I have here is a 1/2-inch PVC that was 10 foot long, and you can pick these up from Lowe's or Home Depot. I'll leave a link in the description below for all the parts that I used. So I'm going to go ahead and fix this 1/2-inch coupling over there and then connect the PVC pipe and then another 1/2-inch coupling, and then I'm going to go ahead and install the water cup and the water nipple. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this installed. I'm going to go ahead and insert the 1/2-inch coupling here onto the PVC. These are all pretty much push fits. If you want to prevent leak, you can put some PVC cement in there, and that should do the job. But I went ahead and cut all my pieces with a jigsaw, and then I used a 100 grit sandpaper to just smooth out the edges. But if you have any other type of saw, you can easily cut the PVC pipe. It doesn't take much. Okay, and this last piece should slip right in, just like that. So I have it all fixed with a tie on both ends. That seems to do a good job of holding it together. But if you want to nail it down or use a bracket or something, you can go ahead and do that. So now it's time to install the water cup. So make sure you put the washer in, otherwise you're going to have a leak. So it's pretty easy here. All you got to do is just twist it in. Make sure it's in tight, so the washer is up against the edge of the coupling. You don't want to tighten it too much to a point where you actually tear the washer. So you can actually have it butt against it because only this piece moves up and down. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, but with the water nipple. You can install the water nipple horizontally like this or vertically if it's an overhead water line. Okay, and that's pretty much all for the installation. As you notice, there's no water in the line. I went ahead and disconnected the water. Otherwise, we'd be having a lot of leakage right now. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the water up and then show you how the water fills in. And then let's get our chicken to enjoy some of this water. So as you can see, the water is filled in the line. Looks like my chicken is going crazy here. So during the hot summer months, it's actually a good idea to drop in a couple ice cubes into the chicken water cup. And your chicken will really love you for doing this. And this particular brand of chicken water cup can hold about 3 ice cubes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found the solution you were looking for in getting your chickens access to clean water. I will leave a link to the Hisam water cups and all the parts that I used in the description below, so you can get this setup for your favorite birds.